Start.
Good morning everyone. Government Degree College, Shantinagar, Jogulamba, Gidwal District. Student project on linear algebra and its application submitted by M. Mumidamani, Usharani, Krishnaveni, Hasmat and Nagalakshmi. Introduction. Linear algebra. Linear algebra is one of the important branches of mathematics. It is basically the study of vectors and linear functions. It is a key concept for almost all areas of mathematics. It is considered as a basic concept in modern presentation of geometry. It is mostly used in physics and engineering as it helps to define the objects such as planes, lines and rotations of the objects. It allows us to model many natural phenomena and also has a computing efficiency. Linear algebra is the study of linear combinations. It is the study of vector spaces, lines and planes and some mappings that are required to perform the linear transformations, and it includes vectors, matrices and linear functions. It is the study of linear set of equations and its transformation properties.
Linear algebra topics. The most important topics covered in the linear algebra includes vector spaces, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, orthogonal matrix, linear transformations, solving system of equations with the matrix, mathematical operations with the matrices, matrix inverse and determinants, positive definite matrix, linear dependence and independence.
Vector space definition. Let V be set up on which is two operations, vector addition and scalar multiplication. Then V is called vector space addition. U plus V is in V. U plus V equal to V plus U. U plus V plus U with W equal to U plus V plus W. V has a zero vector, zero such that every U in V, U plus 0 equal to U. For every U in V, there is vector in V denoted by minus U such that U plus minus V equal to 0. Scalar multiplication. Cu is in V. C of U plus V equal to Cu plus Cv. C plus D into U. Cu plus Du. C into Du equal to C Du into U. 1 into U equal to U. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Like A be a n matrix. An eigenvector of A is a non-zero vector V in R such that AV is equals to lambda V. An eigenvalue of A is a scalar lambda such that the equation AV is equals to lambda V has a trivial solution. If AV is equals to lambda V, for VA is equals to 0, we say that lambda is a eigenvalue for V and V is an eigenvalue vector for lambda. Linear transformation. A linear transformation is a function T that maps a vector space V into another vector space W. Here V, W are vector spaces. V is the domain of T, W is the codomain of T. Two axioms of linear transformations. One, T of U plus V is equals to T of U plus T of V for all U comma V belongs to V. T of Cu is equals to C of TU. C belongs to range of T. Linear algebra application. Here some of the linear algebra application are given as ranking in search. One of the most important application of linear algebra is in the creation of Google. The most complicated of ranking algorithm is created with the help of linear algebra signal analysis. It is mostly used in encoding, analyzing and manipulating the signals that can be either video or audio or images, etc. Linear programming. Optimization is an important application of linear algebra which is widely used in the field of linear programming. Error correcting codes. It is used in coding theory. If encoded data is tempered with a little bit and with the help of linear algebra it should be recovered. But one such important error correcting code is called as humming code. Prediction. Prediction of some object should be found using linear models which are developed using linear algebra. Facial recognition. An automated facial recognition technology that uses linear algebraic expressions is called principal component analysis. Graphics. An important part of graphics is projecting a three-dimensional screen on a two-dimensional screen which is handled only by linear maps which are explained by linear algebra. Thank you.